Yun, good morning guys. Tayo ang unang class ng grade 12 student na unang nakarating dito sa school. So, yun, close pa. Ito pa pala. Close pa ito yan. Ito yung entrance namin. Welcome. Yan, merong welcome sabi niya dyan. Tapos, ito yung isang door. So, naka-close, naka-lock. Wala pa yung keeper namin. Ayan o. So yan. Yan yung ICT room. Tapos ito yung science lab. Yan. Function hall yung sa baba. Tapos dun yung room ng grade 8. Ay grade 7 pala. Grade 7. Tapos sa baba niya is principal's office, canteen, and faculty room. Yan, join sports. Sabi niya, stay away from drugs. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching.